Hey everybody, welcome to another ring making video. In today's ring making video, we're going to be making the Vulcan ring. This ring consists of a tungsten band, which is durable. We're going to be adding some obsidian rocks, which are lava rocks. And then we're gonna top everything off with just like a nice green glow. I really like green strontium illuminate. It's really bright. So if you're looking for a ring that really shines, this is a great ring to get. For the obsidian rocks, these volcanic rocks are formed typically after volcanic activity. They end up being very sharp and glassy almost. So if you're handling this at home, just be careful. Basically, I came up with this ring because I wanted something that's, we have a ring that's similar to that, which is a green inferno, which is made up of green glow powder and meteorite fragments. So I wanted to kind of take that, put a little twist on that and include a mineral or a rock actually. And so I really like working with obsidian. I like the way it looks, the glassy feel to it. So we just put these two together. So stay tuned and we'll take you through the entire process. I'll talk about everything that we're doing and how we're doing it. So that way, if this is something that you want to do at home, feel free to watch our videos and subscribe and get tips on how to make these rings for yourself. And if you have any other questions or if you'd like to purchase a ring or take a look at our website is www.excaliburrings.com. There's a link in the description below.
Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Justin. I am the senior ring maker here at Excalibur Rings, and I'm going to take you through the process of how I made the Vulcan ring. This is me, my hands in this video, and what I'm doing first is applying some adhesive. We use adhesive to basically stick all of our powders and minerals together to make our ring. And I put it on the ring first so I can pour that powder on there and it automatically sticks right in place. The green glow powder is really nice, really cool neon color, and pairing it with the obsidian here is just a great color combination. Like David was saying earlier, the glassy look of the obsidian really shines through in this ring and is what makes it such a cool ring to make. I personally really like it, and it fits its other green inferno brother very well in the shop. You see I'm applying some more adhesive here, getting everything stuck together so we can have a more complete and fully finalized ring. You know, we like to make sure it's really stuck in there so that no rings are coming apart, no inlays are breaking, cracking, or coming out. And we're securing it in place. I always like to double up on my powder and spray it with the accelerant right after to make sure it's all hardened and stuck in place so that when sanding comes, we're ready to make it really pop. I personally like the green and black color scheme a lot. I think it's a very cool and unique color scheme, and you can just see so many different uses for a ring like this. Halloween, St. Patrick's Day, a good luck charm. I like to make sure I space out all the minerals in all these rings out enough so they look natural and not forced or manufactured. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Always got to get that perfect placement. You can see now we're moving on to our sanding process, so I'm choosing a very low grit sandpaper, which is going to help me really dig into that ring and make sure that all the excess that's sticking out above the band is sanded down perfectly and smoothly. And check out that water fly. Using the low to high sandpaper grit is a really good technique because it helps me not only bring the ring down to the level in which it has to be with the band, but then as you can see here, with this smoother, higher grit, it helps me polish off that ring and make it really shine. And there it is. Here is the Vulcan ring, a wonderful obsidian and green powder glow-in-the-dark ring available here at Excalibur Rings. Make sure to subscribe and follow us on all our socials. Peace out.